but your precipitation rate is the most important part of getting this system to run right. Let me say that again. Your precipitation rate is the most important part of getting this system to run right or correct. So that's the amount of water put down in inches in a single hour. What is your precipitation rate? 0.45 inches per hour. Okay, is that what it is? Or is it more like 1.5? That would be closer to spray heads. Is it more like 0.35, which a lot of times your full circle rotors, that's all it'll be is 0.35. So that's going to change your runtime significantly if you have that wrong. Now your next most important thing is your sprinkler efficiency. If these two numbers are not accurate, WeatherTRAK will not work for you. You need to have, now the percentages, this is the percentage of how efficient the system is, not your adjusted percent, because there is an adjusted percent as well. This is simply how much water you want to put down based upon the calculations. That's all it is. Do you want to water in excess or do you want to water in a deficit? That's all this one means. However, your sprinkler efficiency is how efficient is the sprinkler, not system, but zone itself. This is information you get from a catch cup test, which I actually am a little disappointed that WeatherTRAK doesn't have a simple catch cup test set up for us to be able to do a simple catch cup test to get these numbers, because it would make it much easier. I do have one on my website, sprinklersystemcalculator.com. It is an audit tool that I put in. It actually is designed for WeatherTRAK and will help you program this entire thing. So take a look at it if you want your system to be highly accurate. It allows you to get these numbers set correctly. Again, these two numbers are the most important of the whole thing. If you don't have them set correctly, WeatherTRAK will not work for you. It's going to give you the wrong run times every single day.